quick.
Sweet. Be on our way with some lunch, some tacos.
Ooh, you guys get lunch?
Yeah. You don't get a lunch?
Probably just
They
have to
tell
get
us
something
we get
in
an
between.
hour. LOL.
Yeah.
Oh, the initial check was sent to you guys.
And it
I have
cleared.
to check the file.
So we're good. So I'm just gonna pay you this up.
So just pay the, yeah, okay.
But I'm still gonna tell them like.
Yeah.
Well done. What's the ECD on this?
What are those letters?
Estimated completion date. When
It'll go into PDR today. It'll go into line for PDR. We have a big line that just rotate out. I don't know. It's gonna go into line today.
ECD, estimated completion date.
Yep. I've never heard that one, but now we know it.
Now we know, right? We're gonna learn all the anagrams so that we can.
Well, they anagram fucking everything, dude. But yeah, this will be put where y'all were putting those cars yesterday, and then
Very nice.
it'll go into paint. 'Cause it already needs paint. Cars that need paint on the initial just hurt my soul.
Don't hesitate to reach out to me. Otherwise, yeah, we're all good to go. And yeah. Thanks, bye. Oh, hey, are you there? Oh, you're good. I think you're on your voicemail.
Table saw.
Oh, okay. So I was just giving you a call. I'm all done at Hail Specialist here. I was able to get here a little bit early because the shop screwed something up for me. So I was in the area, so I just swung by. Yeah. So we're all good to go. My estimate is obviously going to be lower than theirs, which is not a big deal. I went over the whole vehicle with them. They're going to have a final supplement at the very end for some stuff that they need to like take off the vehicle and show that they took it off. Easy stuff. But the majority of it's all good to go. So I'm going to CC you on the email. It'll have the estimate attached and proof of payment to the shop. We already issued the initial payment to them anyways. So all you really have to worry about is your deductible and we're good to go. So yeah. Perfect. So if that's the case, then yeah, when you come in, you just sign whatever it is and they'll have been paid and you're done. Yep, they're going to start working on it. They don't at this point have an estimated completion date just because your vehicle did get hit hard. So they're going to do as much PDR or paint removal as possible. But there are a couple panels that are going to need to be replaced just due to the extent of the damages. So your hood's one of them. They're going to attempt to PDR your hood and see how it goes. If they can PDR the hood, that's great. If they can't, they can replace it. And then your right fender, the right fender is hit way too hard. So we're going to write to replace that, and I'm pretty sure they're going to replace that fender too, just because the damages it's pretty high. The rest of the vehicles, I mean, it's high, it's a heavy hit, but they should still be able to PDR that. It's really just the hood and the fender that are the two big ones. But on your estimate, it's going to show, so like with the hood, it's going to show that we wrote to replace the hood. If they PDR it, that's fine. You know, they're paid to replace it, but if they can fix it for the cost of replacing it, it's actually better because then it's your original hood and it's back to normal and there's no painting that has to get involved and all that. So if they can do it, awesome. Worst case scenario, they replace it, not the end of the world. You know, we already wrote to replace it, so whatever they can do with it, you know, we're good to go. No. Well, I mean, technically yes, but what they can do is they can check on the status of a hood, so they can pretend that they're going to order a hood from Kia to see how long it would take to get here. If it's going to take like a week to get here, I would guess that they're probably just going to avoid trying to do the PDR, order the hood, do the rest of it, and then paint the hood and do the fender, because they have to do the fender anyways. They may attempt to do it in the meantime while it's coming in. I'm not really sure. I think, you know, it's kind of up to the shop how they're going to do that.